No one institution has enough data to deliver 21st century healthcare. So we have to figure out how to bring data together. And the Genomic Information Commons does this with data from across multiple sites of care that come together for use in diagnosis, discovery, and care delivery.
The Genomic Information Commons is a robust and growing research network poised to take on new members and to grow. There is a tremendous opportunity to accelerate research discoveries as quickly and impactfully as possible and translate the findings to deliver the best clinical care for our children.
We felt there had to be areas where collaboration was going to be key to discovery. And we felt that in the realm of genetics, you needed to collaborate and share information in order to accelerate discovery, because no one institution would have enough.
Nothing's been done at this scale to involve genomic data, clinical data, so we tap into the electronic health records and the samples that are in our biorepositories.
In order for a researcher to use this network, they go to a portal and just type the diagnosis or the gene name into something that looks a lot like a Google search bar. And they'll get back information about how many patients match that gene and that diagnosis.
Benefits for other institutions is a multiplier effect. Our ability to actually utilize the data that each individual institution is producing and bring it to bear by combining it and using that collaboration, I believe will really accelerate the opportunity for new treatments, new insights to improve the lives of our children.
It's absolutely critical that partnership with families and patients based on trust is the foundation for the GIC.
As patients are a key part of the commons, they become active participants. We create a cycle of information and partnership, which is critical for more rapid discoveries.
I remember when I heard the diagnosis being super overwhelmed. However, at the same time, I'm kind of like feeling now a fire in my belly to just be all that I could be for him and to give him all of the tools that he needed.
Participation is huge, and just to be involved in the day-to-day. And I love hearing everything going on. I love giving my feedback.
As a Hispanic and as a female, I think the GIC does a great job hearing my concerns or taking my recommendations on how we could better reach out to my community. And I absolutely see follow through with the GIC.
The health equity issue is actually one of the primary motivators for the creation of the Genomic Information Commons.
To include the broad range of individuals in the research so that we get better answers to the questions that we're asking.
One of the first things we discussed in our first meeting was how the data is handled, how it is de-identified, and the process used to do that.
There are multiple processes in place, so name, date of birth, all like the personal identifiers that's attached with this data are all removed for everything that is going beyond just the one hospital.
The data in these hands are as safe as it can be, and all of the access to that data is governed by the GIC and only access granted to participants of the GIC at this time.
If patients and families have an opportunity, they should absolutely enroll in the biobank at each site, and that will become a part of the GIC. This is important not only for children and adults with rare disease, but all diseases.
What we're all trying to do here is give these children the best tools to live their best lives.
No one institution can do this alone. We believe we are stronger together. Each participating institution is able to access its own data and also the network's multi-institutional data for research. The return on investment is immeasurable. The technology and biobank protocols benefit our local researchers and are easily implemented. We invite you to join us. We invite you to join to accelerate your research activities and improve clinical outcomes to benefit your researchers, clinicians, patients, and families.